All right, guys, what's up? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. We appreciate you guys as always. If you haven't yet and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the like button, share, give us super thanks. Check out the merch store, all the good stuff. You know how it is. So today we're going to be doing. So this is a job that we already started, and we cleared a bunch of land and stuff. So we went out there quite recently, dug a perk test, and where we originally wanted to put the house and stuff, the soil and stuff didn't match to put in the septic and well and all that stuff. So we found a good spot where the inspection passed with the county, moved it over to the other side of the site, closer like to the property line, the wood line, and we ended up finding a good spot that passed and stuff. So what we're doing today is we're heading back out there. We're going to clear, there's probably like 10 or 12 more big trees, and we're out there just getting the rest of these cleared, stacked up, and we'll just be knocking out a bunch of trees, doing it solo dolo all by ourselves. Let's get her done.
Boys. Alright, we're going to knock some of these big old trees out of here. So we're back here, this job. We came out here, and so they wanted to move the house where they're going to put it. Dug a new perk test hole, which is over there. We found good sand, so we were perk testing. So now they want the whole rest of this edge of the woods cleared because they're going to put the house in.
So yeah, a lot of people, it's funny. So we're operating today the mini excavator we got out there. It's a Cat 305. I think it's 305 E2 or whatever, and it's pretty sure it's right around 13,900 pounds. And people always think like, oh, for like a huge tree you need a huge excavator. I mean, and you can do this pretty fast and efficient. It's not even that hard. If you get around that root system good enough and you dig it up, so the base of the tree that's actually holding it, you dig all around it, rip all the roots apart, dude, you can push down the biggest tree you can find. I mean, I've picked up stumps that are as big as the excavator and rolled them on there. I mean, you gotta know how to operate a little bit. A little sketchy sometimes, but you'd be surprised what you can get done with just one little mini. I mean, we cleared this entire lot. It was like 4 acres cleared in like 2 or 3 days. That's like cleaning up everything funny. You get all the critics out there. Post a couple short videos. I was cutting these trees down. Know how to cut a tree. Know how to notch it. They don't understand. None of that's necessary. I think it's funny though. Like, I'm out here cutting these trees by myself. So literally, like, I'm just literally trying to get enough cut in the tree so that way I can push it over with the excavator. Like, we're digging out the stumps anyways. Nothing has to be pretty. Not trying to save the tree. Cutting it up to section, using it as firewood. None of it matters. Like, everybody wants to be a critic. I get it. I like the criticism. It's all good. But they don't understand. I mean, nothing had to be done pretty. I was just trying to get it done fast. I was out there by myself. Kind of got the excavator all pinned up against the tree, all the pressures on it, just so we can get it to fall where we want. And literally, I was just trying to get enough cut in that tree just to get it to go where we want. So, anybody who's judging, I know how to cut. Yeah, there really wasn't much commentary in this video. Pretty straightforward. I mean, simple, just knocking down trees and having fun. These ones are the favorites. Like, when you can go on a job and you can kind of just let loose and just master of disaster. Like, there's no finesse about it. These jobs are nice. Just plowing some trees over, stacking up all the brush, and getting on with it. Like, there's no extreme detail and, like, not close to houses or nothing. Like, open lot clearance. One of my favorite jobs to do because you can just go balls to the walls. But yeah, we appreciate it as always. We'll have it's winter here, so we're about to the point where they're about to put the weight restrictions on our roads, but of course we work right through them. There's always, where there's a will, there's a way. But yeah, so winter's hopefully starting to slow down here, so we'll be posting a ton more content. And we haven't posted that many videos lately. We've done a few retaining walls that we got some videos coming out and stuff. We'll be posting those soon. But yeah, appreciate it as always. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all the good stuff.